200 made. Oh yeah. Number 200th. $200 made. Oh yeah. Now, since y'all bought out the website, I'm gonna run it back. Just kidding. I stopped at about 150 knives. My elbow was killing me. Oh, brother, this guy stinks! Here comes the excuses! So, to save my body, be able to work on some other pieces, I stopped at 150. We've sold a few so far. There's a whole bunch more on the website, and I will be at the Hot Shot Knife Show up in West Bend, Wisconsin on May 1st or 2nd. One of those days, I will be there, and you can get one of these there if you visit me. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thank you all so much for the support, the likes, the comments, the follows along this journey of trying to achieve 200 knives in 1 month. We didn't quite make it there, but a lot was learned. We had a lot of fun. And if you want to get one, they're still on my website and will be on my website until I sell out. Thank you again from Gingerworks. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.